Hey folks, Damien with Bestcare here, and I'm excited to show you our new performance control system. Had this out for a little while now, but wanted to clarify with you all how to use it and how to connect it to the lift. So you just bought your lift, now we want to connect the control system to the lift. So you can see here at the back of the lift, we've got a little bracket at the bottom and a little screw at the top. You see what I got in my other hand here is actually the control box for the lift. This is what's going to run the lift, and I have to connect it to the lift. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little piece here at the bottom and slide it into the groove, and then take the top piece and kind of drop it around the bowl. You know it's on there good when you can't turn it. So we got it on there real secure. Now we're going to take and turn the little plastic dial at the top. And we got our system locked on to the lift. So that's how we connect our control box. Now at the bottom of the control box, that's where everything's going to plug into the lift. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and plug in is the actuator. That's this little cable right here. And at the bottom of the lift, there's a receptacle. It's designed to fit that. And you got to push it in pretty hard. Make sure it's in all the way. But pushed it in real good. And now I know I got my actuator connected to my control box. The next thing I want to connect is the battery to the control box. You can see here at the top of the control box there's a couple of metal tabs. That's what the battery is going to slide onto to give the control box power. So let me grab my battery. That's what my battery looks like. And on the battery itself there's a little symbol here that says BAT on it. If you push that, that'll actually tell you if the battery's got power. So you know if you're putting a battery on there that has some power. So we got a battery, we got some power. Now I'm going to connect the battery to the control box. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to slide it here at the top, just enough so I can get the clip resting in the receptacle at the top of the control box. Then push it down until I hear a little snap. You got to hear that snap. You got to see that little lever on the back snapping in place where the battery's not hooked up properly. But right now, that battery's hooked up properly. You heard the little click. It's connected. So the next thing that I want to do is connect the hand control to the control box. So I'm going to do that by stepping down here again and sliding in the hand control into the receptacle. The key kind of faces to the back, and then it just slides on in. Alright? So now, the last step here before I have it all completely assembled is to connect the charging cable to the control box. So this little cable here has a little receptacle that's going to match right up to the one on the lift. So you just push it in, it goes in kind of sideways, and then pushes up, connects to the lift. So now I've got the charger, actuator, hand control, battery all connected to the system. So at this point, when I push the up and the down button, the lift will go up and down. Thank you.